parents, friends, guests, fellow graduates. Greetings in the name of our Lord. I must first and foremost thank God for this blessing and honor to stand before you today as the first honorable mention on the 83rd batch of graduating students for school year 2012-2013. It was not so long ago when our journey began. For most of us, we had first set our foot in Hagoning Institute as strangers with nothing more than a dream. And on this day, 22nd of March 2013, I declare, together we stand as survivors, armed with wisdom, skills, and values to take this dream another mile closer to the real world. Yes, to others, a commencement exercises may simply be equated as the end of the tunnel, a breath of relief, an exaltation over freedom. But as for me, being under the nurture of our alma mater for over 4 years, I knew it is much more than any of this. Life is an open road, and though we have studied the streets and subways, we were never left without a roadmap. Our mentors, parents, and colleagues have constantly been our usher. And now I believe all paths, all encounters, all journeys lead here. An ultimate direction, a bend on the road. To our alma mater, thank you for bringing us together as a family. A family that has entangled our mind and soul with love and respect. Thank you for allowing us to grow in the four corners of this shelter we prefer to be called home, and develop in the principled individuals you have become as of today. We shall pledge that we treasure our short yet enriching stay here in HI. To our dearest mentors, you have done more than what words can utter. To Ma'am Edith, thank you for motivating us when we were in the transition between childhood and maturity. Being our first-year advisor requires more patience for our childish acts and reminding us for us that our childhood games are over. To Sir Jeff, the one who used to remind us, be yourself. Paano nga ba maging ikaw? Yun yung pagpapakatotoo, hindi lang sa ibang tao, kundi pati sa iyong sarili. May ipapakita mo, hindi lang yung mga kagalingan at kalakasan mo, kundi pati na rin ang iyong mga kahinaan. To Ma'am Robin, thank you for your full support in any way you can extend. Thank you for your advices. We may have a lot of joke times, mingling with each other, just like what barkadas do. At the end of the day, as I recall, I had learned a lot from it. To Mrs. Gertrude Flores, or should I say, Nanay, an advisor with the heart of an exemplary mother, thank you for strengthening our relationships, for reminding us to do not what we want, but what is ethically right. Thank you for your wisdom and encouragement. Being under your supervision is a privilege and brought us out of our comfort zones. To our dearest mentors, we understand we were far from being idealistic students, and that more than once, we've been troublemakers and brought you much headaches and frustrations. Beginning today, we would like to show you our sincerest gratitude for molding our whole being and for showing us that there's always a space for knowledge. Your firm guidance will always be apprehended. To our beloved parents and families, You are the bona fide innovation of who and what we have now become. You deserve to share every laurels we receive. You are a sense of strength and inspiration that we would have never come to reach this moment without. You have all given much to witness this day, and we hope that in some way, we have made you proud. Mama and Papa, yes, a lot of times I have failed you and somewhat disappointed you. But I had promised myself that someday, somehow, I'm gonna make you proud. Maybe this is not yet the time, but this is the beginning. Ma, thank you for supporting not just me, but all of us in the best way you can. For allowing me to do the things you know that would make me happy. Words are not enough to explain how I feel right now. Mama and Papa, I know how rare I say I love you, but I want you to know that I really do. And I'm sorry for my attitude that for years I've been trying to change. I know that it's for my own betterment. Thank you for believing in me and cheering me. Anak, kaya mo yan. For the times you remind me that I'm not alone, and every time I feel like everything's falling apart. I know both of you, as well as your brothers and sisters, would always be there to make a team. I love you, Mama and Papa. To our classmates, to for Newton and for Galileo, our colleagues, our friends who have grown along us. You have colored this journey with multiples of joy and laughter, divided by pains and conflicts. Our time of being a secondary student has come and now gone swiftly. We are about to end the 4 chapters of our book to be able to open the new chapter that is ahead of us. And when one glances back at the past that belongs to you, consider it as a blessing that we have shared a few of the most memorable years of our journey together. These ties shall be instilled within our hearts wherever our track may lead us. To my forever Einstein family, salamat sa 4 na taong samahan, tawanan, iyakan, galaan, bangayan, mapaano man yan, let's do it the Einstein way. Ano man ang ating mga pinagsamahan, mananatili ito sa aking puso at isipan. Salamat, Ira, Nika at Layana, dahil minsan ako nakasama sa malakas ninyong tawanan. Jovelyn, Hazel, Cheryl at Jasper, for reminding me that everyone has its own personality and commonality. Annalay, Ivan, Nikki, Pink, Christine, and Joy, for sharing with me your talents and skills. Jerry, Romeline, Elaine, Risha, and Lloyds, for giving us the latest updates and controversies with their stories. Ano nga ba ang Einstein kung wala ang isaman sa kanila? Gaano kaya katahimik ang room kung walang kwentuhan, pustahan, asaran ni Narasauro, Ninyoel, Christopher, Jonathan, Fling at Andrew? Lalo naman kaya kung wala ang mga corny knock-knock jokes ni Walter at ang mga pambabara ni Jamil. Ang pagduwal ni na Aida at Jan tuwing vacant at ang pagsabi ni Fletcher ng, "Uy, libre mo ako kahit hindi recess." To JM, Carlo, Edsel, and Paolo, thank you for cheering up the class to break the silence. Kina Rose at Froilan, hindi man tayo nagkasama-sama sa loob ng 4 na taon, still, we'll always be a family at sabay-sabay nating tutuparin ang ating mga pangarap. At kay Rika, salamat sa 4 na taong wagas na pagkakaibigan. Kahit tayo na lang yung nagkakaintindihan, sige pa rin sa tawa. All of you will always remain as my ever good best friends. believed in my capacity to meet beyond their expectations, for the one who entrusted me in his faith, for the one who grew with me, who shared one vision of becoming successful one day, for the one who has been part of my story, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you. And to our Almighty Father, the author of all things, we only stand here because you called us to enter and guide us for the blessing and opportunities. All the praises and glory is offered back in your name. Rehearsals and trainings are over, and the show is about to begin. As we part, we do not know where life shall take us, but as our alma mater stand resilient, will always and forever will be a family. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and good morning.